Hello everybody, thank you for watching my tutorial. In this tutorial I did a sign for my mom because all of her grandkids call her Mem, not Grammy, not Nana, something other than that, and it's very hard to find anything that says Mem. Also, I am finishing up my tumblers. I usually do tutorials for tumblers, and I have this one that I just finished for my niece Lonnie, and she's very excited. She wanted a galaxy themed cup, and I really love this font. And another one that's on my turner right now. This one is for my other niece Brooklyn. Alright, so getting to the sign, I got this at my local Goodwill store. It was like $2. Had some metal stars on it, very farm looking Americana, I think is something that's usually called. These popped off pretty easily. There were 4 in total on here. And it looked like there was a lot of spaces for these clothespins on this sign, so only one remained, so I just picked that one off and sanded down the spots a little bit. Now where I had pulled those things off, this was not a color I wanted, so I spray painted everything white. And then while that was wet, I put a couple of black, couple sprays of black spray paint to give it that antique looking wood, barn wood almost. And then I started cutting out my decals. I printed off of my Cricut, and it says only the best moms get to be Mems. And my mom really loves plaid, so that is why I chose to do plaid for her sign. This font that I'm using is actually a Christmas font I found on defont.com, and I just really liked how script-y it looked. So that is what I chose to do. So only the best moms get to be Mems. And this is how it came out. So I have some more cup tutorials coming up, so stay tuned and give this video a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.